Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the visual search feature on the Aliexpress application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the home or shop button, tap on the camera icon at the top of the page next to the search bar, tap on album or take a picture of your item, tap on it, and here you have the same or similar items, so you can check them out all. As you can see, it has been detected from your uploaded picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.